So last night I was out for a little run and I found this here lawnmower. It's just on the side of the road. Someone was throwing it out. So I brought it home and Elliott's going to try and fix it up. See if we can get it working. It almost starts. It chugs and it stops. So we'll see. We'll see if we can find out what's wrong with it. We got it off the cover and we're just going to work on the old spark plug. See if that's the problem. Alright, Elliott bought a new spark plug. We've taken it apart, cleaned it up a bit. Now, ooh, it starts up. It just doesn't keep going. Alright, so we just cleaned out some major gunk that was inside of it, and now Elliott's going to try and put it all back together. Alright, it's all back together. Let's see if it works. Alright, test 2. Here we go. Ooh, so close! Well, we're off to do more research. I have this small engine maintenance and repair book I got from the library. What happened to be the only one there, and it's from some people here took it out in '86. It's from '84. Elliott's going to come check the internet, and we'll see what we find, and we'll probably get to it tomorrow because it has started raining outside. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. We put some new gas in it. And Elliott had it going, and it was working for a while. Success! Woo! Now we can cut the lawn. Now it's victory lap time. Cutting the grass. So how did you fix this thing?
We got a new spark plug and we just put some gas in it and it started, boys.
Oh, and Elliott also cut a special sponge for in there because there was no sponge in the carburetor. Oh yeah, maybe he'll quickly show you. It was just empty and there's supposed to be some sort of filter, so he rigged one up using a sponge. And he put some new gas. Oh, there's the sponge. Yeah, it's just like a normal sponge. He got a new spark plug, he put some new gas in and took it apart and cleaned all the gunk out, and now it's working. Woo! Woohoo!